Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a sexy eyeliner, black eyeliner, red lipstick makeup look. But before we get there, I just want to say that this makeup look was inspired from a friend of mine. Her name is Gabrielle. And well, it's her signature look, so she always uses the eyeliner under her eyes. But I'm gonna extend it and make it more glamorous, and I'm gonna use a lot of, I'm gonna use a lot of highlights, and I'm gonna also add a red lipstick, and I'm just gonna make it marvelous. So stay with me, stay tuned. And I'm also gonna be using, because I would like the foundation to be glitter as well, all nice and shiny. One of my favorite primers, it's from Focus, it's from Dior. And it's very nice. I want a good coverage, so I'm gonna start with this brush. It's from NYX. Let's get started. Now I'm gonna start with the concealer from Lancome, just like always. So now with the foundation, I'm going to mix my foundation with the Dior primer. So 1, 2 of these, it's more than enough. I really want that shine, so I'm gonna use 2 pumps of these. As you can see, it's half empty because I love this product. I've been using it a lot, so so it's gonna be 2 of these as well. So 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna mix it well. I'm just gonna mix it with this. It's like magic. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my second concealer. Just swipe some of it on here. Okay. I'm just gonna tap it under the eyes. Just only under the eyes, because I already have concealer on top. This is just gonna give me a little bit more bright in the eyes underneath. Now to start off with the makeup, I want to do the line underneath the eye going outwards. I'm going to use one of my favorite eyeliners. It's from L'Oreal. What I love about this eyeliner, and I'm a big fan of it, is because it's very nice and soft. Like using my brush with the eyeliner, because I don't want it, I want it to be very, very precise, because I want it to be very nice and neat. I don't want it to be smushy. So I'm going to start from the under eye, going outwards, and I want it to go like up, like this. Maybe not too much. Okay. I can't do it here. I need to go to mirror, but I'll be back. Now I did the eyeliner. Now I need to connect a little bit on the top. For the top, I'm just gonna use a little bit just on the eyelashes, just to make them more thicker, especially after I want to put the mascara on. But I am gonna connect the end of the eye with the eyeliner. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do from the top. I'm gonna leave this to set a little bit, and I'm gonna smash it out a little bit because I do want it to be a little bit kind of smoky underneath. That's how I want to do it. That's not how Gabrielle does it, but it's just what I want to do. So I'm gonna also connect the top with the eye. So it's gonna be something like, it's gonna be something like, I need to relax my eye. I'm just gonna connect it from here. Not too much. That's it. All that drama for that little bit. Now to smash it out a little bit, I'm gonna go with this tiny little brush, okay? If you can hear a dog, it's Luna barking. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it just a tiny little bit. Now that I smoked it out, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna, oh my, it's got a little spot. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and make it more sharp. So okay, again I'm going in with my brush. I'm not gonna put my eyeliner on my eye, and just sharpen the top and leave the smoky part underneath the way it is. So okay, so it's gonna be something like this. So it's more sharp on the top and smoky on the bottom eye. So I'm reversing the eyeliner. I'm making it upside down. I'm halfway done. For it to set and stay in place all day long, I'm gonna use some setting spray, and then I'm gonna use some loose powder. So until the setting spray, dries out, I'm gonna talk again about my favorite palette. It's a collected piece and it's from Lancome. And yes, it is this one. That really is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to be using, I don't know what I'm going to use, to be honest. But I definitely want this, the top one. But I'm still thinking about this one here as well. We'll see. For now, let's just put some powder under my eye, some loose powder, white loose powder under my eye, so I won't crease or move or, don't want to become messy later. Okay, so with that here, going all the way up without really touching the black liner. Okay, again, I'm not gonna set the powder all over my face because I use the Dior primer, the shiny one. So if I put powder all over my face, I'm just gonna ruin the shine, and I don't want that. I'm gonna go in with my flushy brush and just remove all the extra carefully. I have decided I'm gonna use this for the eyes and for the cheeks. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in just straight away. Okay, and yes, I am gonna be using my fingers. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. I'm done with the eyeshadow. It's time for the mascara, and I do want to use lashes, but I don't know which one to use again. I don't know. Should I use something really dramatic, or should I use something more simple and just give length to the ends? I don't know. Please send help. I definitely don't want to use something like this because I do want to give the cat eye. So no. This I only have one pair and it's not good enough, so no. This yes, but should I use these? Make it all dramatic. I don't know. Oh, funny girl. Okay, let's relax for a second before I start breaking things. Let me just start off with the mascara and we'll see from there where it's gonna go, okay? Now I'm gonna use the MAC mascara, MAC stack. So, oh, the other way around. It's like this. Again, one of my very favorite mascara. Everything I own is one of my favorites, so this is why you will hear me say this a lot. One of my favorite, because everything I buy is my favorite of all the products that I know, okay? Obviously, I don't know all the products in the world, but the ones I know, these are my favorite. So now, eyebrows. I do want to make them intense as well. So I'm gonna color them in. Actually, I'm doing this the wrong way around because I want to lift them up. So I'm gonna put the pencil on top so it can give you more lift. We're almost done. Now, one of my favorite parts is the contour. So I'm gonna go in with the brownie part, which is gonna be here. Okay. And here. Now to go in with my highlight, I'm gonna go back with this and I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna use a lot of it because I want to shine, baby. I want to shine all the way. I want people to be able to see me from the moon. And I'm also gonna use some on my chest, shoulders. Now, because I want to highlight more the inner part of my eye, I'm gonna go with NYX highlight, Born to Glow. And I'm gonna use the white one. And just go in here like this and up. And a little bit down as well, just a tiny little bit. And up and down. I'm also going to use a little bit on my lips. And on top of my eyebrows as well. Okay. And what's ever left on the brush, I'm also going to use a little bit more on my cheeks. Now for the lips, I'm gonna go in with NYX lip liner Sandstorm. I want a brown one because I want it to make it outside dark and inside more bright. It's gonna be a red lipstick, by the way, so this is gonna be the eyeliner. I know this also looks good, but I'm gonna use the red lipstick. I do have one somewhere here that I really like. No. Ah, here we are. Now I'm gonna use my red lipstick from Lancome. And here we go. Da, 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 da. I love that sound. Okay. Ah, absolutely stunning. Oh. Now, I'm not happy with the look. I mean, I like it, but it needs more shine. So I'm gonna put much more. I mean, you can see the highlight, but I want more. So I'm gonna use this on my lips and I'm gonna put some glitter on my face. Now, in order for glitter to stay on my face, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this glitter from NYX. And straight away on top, I'm gonna use scented spray so it can stick, so. And the winner is, I almost forgot. I was gonna turn off this video and I almost forgot to put eyelashes. Do I need eyelashes? I do need eyelashes, okay. How do you open this? Oh. Ta-da! I'm gonna put these on and come back. Okay, now that I added also my fake eyelashes, you can barely see them because it's only at the end and it's like a cat eye, so you can barely see them. Also, the makeup is flawless. Also, have you seen my little sticks? Just putting there for style, really. So let me know what you think about this video, if you like it or not. I'm obviously going to do much more videos. I'm going to try to do them more often, like once a week if I can, because I am a very busy woman, you know. Only joking, I'm not busy, but it's really not that easy to make video because it does take me a lot of time to film, go back, do the makeup, and I don't want to do simple stuff on YouTube. I do want to do the extreme makeup, the hard ones for you to see and for me to create. So be patient with me if I take some time to make the video because it's really not that easy. I'm going to try next time. My YouTube video is going to be an SFX video if I can. We'll see, I don't know. But if you have any ideas of what we like to see, because I do have a separate profile on Instagram with all my SFX makeup looks, so if you want to check that out, you can. My social media is going to be down below, so you can check that out. Obviously follow me, I will be happy to see you there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you still watching and if you're at the end of the video, thank you so much for the support. But it will be nice to know the feedback of what you guys think. So if you want to leave a comment, you can. And I hope I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.